Hi children, today we are going to learn third chapter, polynomials. What are the polynomials? Polynomials means combination of terms and constants. What are the terms? Terms means product of variable and constant or only variable or simple constant also term. Then constant means only numbers. It never change. The value of constant never change. But variable values will change. Now here an algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only positive integer power is called polynomial. Polynomial means combination of terms and the power of that terms must be positive integer. The power must be positive integer. That is called a polynomial. Now example 7x, 9x square plus 1, 8x cube plus x square plus x. These are the polynomials. Here the powers are here 1, here 2, here 3, 2, 1. These powers all are positive integers only. Then the power must be positive. Then only we can call that is a polynomial. Polynomial is a combination of variables and constants and the power of that variable must be positive integer. Now what is the general form of polynomial? a0 x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 up to a to the power of n. Here the a0, a1, a2 up to an are called coefficients. Those are real numbers. And x is a variable and n minus 1, n minus 2 are powers. Now these powers must be positive. Now what is the degree of polynomial? The power of the highest degree term in a polynomial is called as its degree. The power of the degree. Then suppose 3 terms are there. Then 3 terms have some powers, degrees. Then each power, one term, second term, third term, powers we have to take. In that highest power we called as a degree of that polynomial. Example, x to the power of 8, x plus x to the power of 6 plus 4. Here 3 terms are there. Then first term power what? 8. Second term 6. Third term 0. Because x to the power of 0. Constant means what? 4 into x to the power of 0. Constant into x to the power of 0. Then what is the power? 0. In these 3 powers, what is the highest power? 8. Then we can say degree is 8. Degree is 8. Now degree of the polynomial is power of highest degree term is called degree. Then we have to check how many terms are there first. In that each term powers we have to check. Then in that which is the highest power, that is called degree of the polynomial. Then types of polynomials. Types of polynomials are 2 types. One is according to the terms, number of terms, according to the degree. Now in previous classes we learnt according to the terms and degrees. Now terms, if it has only one term we called linear term, linear polynomial. Then one term means monomial, 2 terms binomial, 3 terms trinomial, 4 terms multinomial. Then as per degrees, if the polynomial have degree 1, then we call that is a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means what? The power of that polynomial must be 1. Degree of that polynomial must be 1. Then we call that is a linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means the degree must be 2. Now example, x square plus x plus 4. Here x square means power 2. X means 1. 4 means 0. Then here what is highest power? 2. Then what is the degree of this polynomial? 2. Then we call this is a quadratic equation. Sorry, a quadratic polynomial. Now then cubic polynomial means degree 3. Degree 3. Then polynomial of degree 3 we call cubic polynomial. Means x cube plus x square plus 4x plus 5. Here 3, 2, 1, 0. Then what is the highest power? 3. Then this polynomial power degree is 3. Then this is called cubic polynomial. Then when linear polynomial means it may have one or two terms. That is monomial also we can call linear. Then binomial also we can call, that is a linear polynomial. Then quadratic polynomial, highest 3 terms. Highest 3 terms, minimum 1 term. That degree must be 2. Then cubic polynomial, 4 terms. Highest 4 terms, but minimum 1 term. That degree must be 3. Next point, value of a polynomial. If p of x is a polynomial, p of x is a polynomial in x, means variable is x. If k is a real number, then k is a one constant, that may be real number. Then the value obtained by replacing x by k in p of x is called the value of p of x at x is equal to k. That means when you substitute in polynomial instead of that variable one constant number, any number, real number or integer or any number, then you will get some value. That value we call the value of that polynomial. Now suppose here p of x, then what is the variable? X. Instead of x we will substitute some real number, then you will get one value. That value we called value of polynomial of p of x at x is equal to k. It is denoted by p of k. When the p of k value is 0, then that is called 0 of the polynomial. When the value, p of k value you will get as 0, then that value, that k value we called as a 0 of a polynomial. That k we will call as 0 of polynomial. Then p of k is equal to 0. When p of k is equal to 0, that k value we will call 0 of a polynomial for that polynomial. Example, what are the values of p of x, x square minus 2x minus 3 at x is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. Here what is the p of x? X square minus 2x minus 3. Now what are the k values? 3 minus 1, 2. First we have to find out p of 3. Then 3 square minus 2 into 3 minus 3 is equal 3 square 9, 3 2s are 6 minus 3 is equal to 0. Then what is the value of p of 3? 0. Next, p of minus 1. Minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3 is equal 1 square means 1. Minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2 minus 3. Then all will cancel, you will get 0. Next, p of 2. Two square minus 2 into 2 minus 3. 2 square 4, 2 2s are 4 minus 3. 4 4 will cancel, you will get minus 3. Then what are the values of p of 3? How much value? 0. P of minus 1, 0. Then p of 2, 3. In this, which are the 0 of the polynomials? Only 3 and minus 1 are 0 of the polynomial, because the value is equal to 0. Then minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 are zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x minus 3. Understood? Now, what is the value of polynomial? Instead of x, one variable, you have to substitute the real number. Then you will get some value. That value we call value of a polynomial. Now, if the value you will get 0, that means p of k is equal to 0. That k value become 0 of the polynomial for that polynomial. Suppose here P of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. At x is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. If you substitute 3 minus 1, 2, what are the values you got? 0, 0, minus 3. Then these two are called 0 of the polynomials. This is not a 0 of the polynomial because here the values are 0. Then 3 plus 3 minus 1 are zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x minus 3.